Welcome to my channel, Happy Learn No Lands. Today, we will learn about shapes. This shape is called circle. Let's learn about circle shape. A circle is a closed, round and equal shape. It is a flat two-dimensional shape. It has no corners. Examples of circle shape are football, clock, and coin. This shape is called triangle. Let's learn about triangle shape. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. It is a flat, 2D shape with 3 corners. Examples of triangle shape are pizza, cheese, and Christmas tree. This shape is called square. Let's learn about square shape. A square has 4 straight sides of equal length. It is a type of quadrilateral. Examples of square shape are bread, box, and carom board. This shape is called rectangle. Let's learn about rectangle shape. A rectangle is a shape which has 4 straight sides of which the opposite are of equal length. It is a type of quadrilateral. Examples of rectangle shape are calculator, mobile phone, and television. This shape is called pentagon. Let's learn about pentagon shape. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles. A regular pentagon has 5 equal sides. It is a flat, 2D shape. It has 5 corners. Examples of pentagon shape are house, pencil, and envelope. This shape is called octagon. Let's learn about octagon shape. An octagon is a polygon with 8 sides and 8 angles. It is a flat, two-dimensional shape. It has 8 corners. Examples of octagon shape are medal, locket, and signboard. Thank you for watching Happy Learn No Lands.